So here's a car I actually haven't posted yet, at least not on YouTube. It's my 70 El Camino SS, originally a big block car. Let's see how high it sits in the front. Still got the big block springs in it. Sitting on them old school Keystones, the gold centers. Originally forest green, white racing stripes. And that's the way it'll go back when I do restore it, but it'll lose the vinyl top. Sorry, I'm not a fan of vinyl tops on El Caminos. They're okay on Chevelles if they're dark colored, but they look weird to me on El Camino, so it's gotta go. Still got some 12-bolt rear end. There's been 3 colors in this life so far I can tell. So originally it was green, then it was this tealish color, then they painted this hugger orange. Been off the road since 07, was at 16 years. The engine was swapped in it in the 90s sometime. So I don't have a lot of parts for it. So that's all good. I have a whole nother dash for it, housing, because they got this Knight Rider stuff in here. 70s babies that grew up in the 80s know about whatever this is. CT driving computer, got the Craig cassette deck, power disc brakes. The other thing I gotta do, the brakes are, the brakes go down and don't want to come back up. It stops, but then it just stops. It doesn't want to drive again. You can tell it's an early build because it has the underdash, or not underdash, under the headlight bucket trim. I think that stopped midway through 1970. No trim here. Malibus had the chrome trim here. Super Sports did not. A lot of people restore the cars and put the Malibu grill in there and forget that detail. But let me show you this engine real quick. Come on. Where are you? Oh, there we go. Mother, I need my other hand. Hold on. All right. See, it's an early hood. What is going on with my screen? That's a little better. All right. Got the early cow induction hood on it. Got a weird glare going on too. So yeah, 327, 250 horse. It's a late 68 build. So I pulled the big block out or whatever in the 90s or something. Put that in there. But yeah, it'd be a cool car, man. Something just to drive like this. Yeah, but they put this pop-up in here. It's a local car, McCord Air Force Base, up until 08 when it was parked. So somebody was daily driving this on base. And then you can see the original color right there. And then this driver's door sticks a little bit, so. But yeah. They had to cut the speaker holes in it, of course, to get their beats in there. It's cut right through it. Nobody will ever restore this car. It's just a used car. Who cares, right? And I gotta come along and fix it all. But it shows 81,346 on the dash. Who knows if that's 184,000 or what? 181,000. But all my blinkers work. At least outside the car, not inside. You can hear it though. So yeah, be a cool little car. Like I said, I'll be driving this while I work on my other cars. But you can never have too many daily drivers, right? It's kind of cool with the Keystones, with the gold centers. They don't even make these anymore. They make the Keystones. They're bought out by Krager, but they don't make them with the gold centers. Needs a lot more meat in the back, though. I think I can squeeze 295s back there like my Chevelle. Let me know what you think. You like El Caminos? Love them, hate them? It's one or the other. Oh, I left my lights on. No wonder my battery was dead before. Me personally, I love El Caminos. Well, 68 to 72 I love. Especially 70. Get rid of this. I never liked these covers. This foreskin cover, I never liked these. I think I should rob the big block out of this and put it in there. I got a couple big blocks, so ain't no thing. Oh yeah, man, let me know in the comments. Are you a big block fan? Are you an El Camino fan? You just hate Chevys altogether? Gotta get that big block up in there again. Bring that wheel down, or bring the fender back down. Good. Oh, that's ugly. Look at that gap. This would be cool with my convertible though.